Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If the QR code on your Ring doorbell is missing, damaged, or simply won't scan, you might think you are unable to complete the setup. Fortunately, Ring provides official alternatives that can help you register and add your Ring doorbell without relying solely on the QR code. In many cases, you can use the setup code or device information supplied with the Ring doorbell to finish the installation process. The good part is that you don't necessarily need to replace the device just because the QR code is unavailable. In this video, I'll walk you through several simple steps that can help you officially add a Ring doorbell without scanning the QR code. Try these. Step 1. Look for the setup code provided with the Ring doorbell. Step 2. Open the Ring app used to configure the Ring doorbell. Step 3. Choose the option to manually set up the Ring doorbell. Step 4. Enter the available code associated with the Ring doorbell. Step 5. Connect the Ring doorbell to your Wi-Fi network. Step 6. Confirm the Ring doorbell appears in the Ring app and test its functions.